flowers in here, like that one that I fought off very bravely, actually, back there. Almost got my leg torn off, is what it was.
Saved your life.
Well,
Do you want help with that?
Right. Probably tough.
Don't make so much noise. Oh, my God, the rope! Roaches! Oh, they're awful creatures.
Right, you first.
Well, I imagine you'd want to, for the scientific possibilities, go down first, Reginald.
The turkeys will be here, any moment, Bobby, you first.
You go down there, right now.
What? I have to film the turkey.
Go, Bobby.
You first.
Hurry, the turkeys will be here any moment.
They're coming.
Oh.
I'll help you move that.
Ew. Ew.
Bobby, careful.
Yeah.
Don't touch anything.
Ah!
Just
That's really
go.
gross.
Just go. You want to push, I'll push you.
No! No, I'm not going down there.
Well, Right.
Forget the sewer then.
Yes, the sewer was dead. Leave that now. It'll be quite all right by itself.
Wait, shut it.
No, don't touch it.
Okay.
Right. We're gonna go hide in this big bush here. See the bush?
Very large.
Provides quite a bit of cover, as you know.
Ample cover right here. Very soft too, actually.
Really? It is quite soft.
You could lay your head in it, sleep like a baby. Oh, it's in my eye. Very right. Oh. Awful bush.
Right, forget the bush. Yeah, it's a perfect cover.
Here. Do you see my right? Right. Move. Here.
Right. Now.
Right. Do you have any gum? Well, never mind.
Right.
I'll be fine.
Are the fire turkeys coming?
Quiet. You.
Right there.
Well,
See it.
I don't see it very well.
See the movement.
Oh, yes, I'm right. I see it.
Let's go. Let's go. Hurry. Run. Move. My.
Hold yourself. You'll be all right. Hurry, it's
Oh,
it's escaping. You dropped your hat again.
Sorry.
Pick yourself up, man. Let's go. The turkey's escaping. Let's go. Here's a damn cane.
Give me my cane. My hat.
Let's go. Now, the turkey's gone because you're old man. You can't walk anywhere.
Not my fault, I swear.
20 years ago, this wouldn't have happened. Goddamn hip replacement removal. I told you not to go to that doctor. He's a quack. Lost the fire turkeys.
Don't film me, Bobby. I'm cleaning myself up.
Well, there are perhaps many thousands or more out here, so.
Millions. Millions. Let's move.
Right.
Yeah, I don't need the candle. Okay, fine.
Don't fall anymore.
Wonderful. Done quite a bit of walking today. A bit tired.
Ah, what's this? What?
Fire turkeys destroyed the tree.
probably angered them. Fire turkeys are very irrational animals. If you, a poor defenseless tree, such as this one, probably got in the turkey's way. It was growing here, and the turkey wanted to get by. Being a pushy sort, came by the tree and just cut it up.
Right. Now, fire turkeys do this all the time. Now, their cousin, the terror turkey, also exhibits this behavior, except they tend to root up the tree rather than cutting its limbs.
Right.
Now, Well, haven't we been here before?
No, I would have recognized it, I believe.
I think we have.
No,
you're
quite,
wrong.
Bobby, you don't know anything. You don't know anything.
Okay.
Stupid college-educated boy.
Wait.
I found a trail.
A trail.
Do you see the padding here, the stomped down grass? Do you catch it, Bobby?
Are you catching this on the camera?
Yes, yes.
Oh, right.
You're not in the right spot.
Well, the trail's continuing.
Down.
Look, there's another tree cut down by the angry fire turkey right here.
Right.
Ew. Filthy. Continue down the trail.
Looks kind of old.
Not old. Fresh damage.
Oh.
Ooh.
Oh, my.
Oh, it's very dusty in here. As we said, fire turkeys like the dusky, clammy areas. And here, oh, right, we're back at the canal, right here. This awful, dirty place, right here.
Oh, I can
Yeah.
smell it.
Quite hot here.
Oh, right. Bugs. I hate bugs.
Right.
I hate bugs.
Oh.
Don't lose the cane again, man.
Right.
Right.
Now, we don't seem to be having much luck
Not much luck tonight.
finding the turkeys, but, we know they're out there, so...
There are, so what
We're
we're
gonna-
going to do, we're going to, get some information from the experts.
Right, so we'll cut to them now, cut to the experts.
The experts are, here we are at the experts.
Experts.
Now, Mr. Expert, please tell us about the fire turkeys.
The fire turkeys are very rare animals. The turkeys, known as in scientific terms, as Horace there's no actual documentation of these beasts. Now, what makes the turkey dangerous is a strange phenomenon which is known as engorging. What happens is the water under the turkey's neck engorges or fills with blood. This blood, because the turkey is angry, grows fiery hot. And as such, the turkey will shoot this fiery hot blood at any aggressors or beasts or animals or anything it perceives to be a threat to itself. Now, here we have some footage of the terror turkey. What you see here is a raw shot of the violence that is innate in all of these turkey breeds. What the turkey is doing is scraping mulch and dirt and filth upon its young, defenseless chick, merely because the turkey wants more room to sit. What's the